Let's discuss with the R command. First of all, you click on sketch, then select the plane. If you want this plane, then click on it and OK. You can hold and right click, and you can click on zoom fit, and you provide a area of a zoom a certain limit. So we can talk about the arc. What is arc? Arc contain four parameters. First is created by 3 point, second is created by center point and endpoints. And the input method is x, y, and x. So first of all, we use the arc by three methods and input limit is x and y. X and y is nothing but is the coordinate system. This is put on x. What's the distance x? Then you can see the x coordinate is changes, and we can walk on y, then we can check changes in y. That's it. And what is this parameter? A parametric load. It, there is no x and y input. There is directly input as in radius. Input as in radius. 5, 6, 10, whatever. Suppose I click 5, then this is creating 5 radius arc. Okay, in this coordinate system. Okay, you can use to center and endpoint arc. And I suppose this is the center. Click on it arc. This is created by center arc. Okay. And you can also change the radius value. You can double click and change the value. Suppose 10, and you can see the changes is appearing here. So this is the arc command. You can use with the line and arc. uh, you can use the 3 point, and you can choose the first point one, second, and the third point. This is the tangent connection of it. Okay, and you can also select the rectangle. There is also in a three type of rectangle method. Input method is same as we see in arc method. So this rectangle command we can discuss in next lecture. I hope you can understand.